Improving memory power can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle changes, mental exercises, and strategies that help enhance memory retention and recall. Here are some tips to help you improve your memory. Lifestyle changes. 1. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, boosting memory and cognitive function. 3. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact memory. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 4. Eat a brain-healthy diet. Focus on consuming foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients that support brain health. Mental exercises. 1. Brain games and puzzles. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as crosswords, Sudoku, chess, or brain teasers. 2. Memory games. Play games that specifically target memory, like memory matching, concentration, or memory recall exercises. 3. Learn something new. Acquire a new skill or hobby, like learning a language, playing a musical instrument, or painting. Memory strategies. 1. Repetition. Repeat information out loud or to yourself to help solidify it in your memory. 2. Association. Connect new information to something you already know or find meaningful. 3. Visualization. Use mental images to help remember information, like picturing a map to recall directions. 4. Chunking. Break down large amounts of information into smaller, more manageable chunks. 5. Mnemonics. Use acronyms, rhymes, or other memory aids to help recall specific information. Additional tips. 1. Stay organized. Use calendars, to-do lists, and other tools to help keep track of appointments, tasks, and important dates. 2. Limit distractions. Minimize distractions when trying to learn new information or complete tasks. 3. Get social. Social interaction can help keep your mind active and improve memory. 4. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, like reading, writing, or learning a new skill. Supplements and vitamins. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Support brain health with omega-3 supplements or foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon or walnuts. 2. B vitamins. Ensure adequate B vitamin intake, especially B6, B9, and B12, which play a crucial role in brain function and memory. 3. Antioxidants. Consume antioxidant-rich foods or supplements, like vitamin C, vitamin E, or CoQ10, to help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Remember, improving memory power takes time and practice. Be patient, consistent, and kind to your brain.